guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day in JA, and somebody's napping, and I hope you like napping too. That's what her outfit says. Says hello, say hello, say hi, good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, your turn, Taylor.
Wagwan. Vad jag har gjort? Mitt japanikaza har gjort.
Let go of my hand. What are we doing right now? What are we doing?
We are going to school.
We are going to school.
But how we thinking patois?
We are going to school.
We are going to school.
Right. And the proper way to say it in English?
We are going to school.
Alright, go get your jacket on. Go get your jacket on.
Okay,
We're late.
Mama.
Alright, you guys, so hope you guys are having a good day. Welcome back to a new vlog. Sarah is ready to roam and get out of here. I'm about to do a quick school run and drop Tyler to school. Tyler, put on your jacket and leave your sister.
Nothing.
Look at them. I'm about to drop Tyler to school. I'm not taking Sarah with me this morning. She's gonna be sad. I'm leaving her with Papa. Papa's still in bed. So I'm about to do a quick school run. Hopefully you guys are staying blessed and staying safe. Wearing your mask. Love you guys. If it's the first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch and keep up with the fam bam. Ready for school? Ready for school?
Who say yes, Mama?
Yes.
Patois.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
But no, you don't answer Mama like that. Say yes.
Yes.
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Alright. Delaveaus later.
Later.
See you no later.
See you no later. Adios.
Alright, you guys. We're out. It's cold this morning. It's cold. Yes.
Listen, when it's cold, we can't see the moon.
No, it's not because it's cold, but it's because it's cloudy.
Oh.
Yes. A lot of clouds out. That's why you can't see the moon, right?
Oh, now
But
I know. Now I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, it's too many clouds.
Because when it's cold, and it's winter, there is always the clouds to block the light from the sun. Like that, it don't make it hot.
Uh-huh.
Mama,
Come on.
yesterday when Papa and me went to castle and we was on the outside, wow! So much stars.
So much stars.
Yes.
I need to put on my mask.
And I couldn't stop to look at it. It was almost like,
Mask up. Almost at school.
it was almost like 10 that there was so many.
Yes. Warrior child is a bit fussy this morning, huh? You're a bit fussy this morning? You're a bit fussy. Yes, you. Yes, you. Yes, you. Yes, you. You're a bit fussy this morning. She didn't take her nap as much as she normally does in the mornings. But yeah, I have to go pick her up. Right now, I need to go and prepare her lunch. Baby's working from home today, so baby's taking a little break from the computer, and he's taking that time to work out. So he is taking a run. Let's go find Papa. Come on, let's go find Papa. Let's show you guys, babe. What do you want, silly, silly? Want to see yourself? There you are. Look at her, want me to play tickle with her again. Tickle, 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 tickle. What if you fall headway down there? You see how brave she is? She like to do that? Look at her, upside down. Look at her, look at her. Look at this girl. She's doing that. She's doing, look at her. Lord. Lord help you. Sarah, you see how she brave? You reach the floor. She's something else. She's playing on by herself today because brother is at school and mama have work to do and papa is working. You guys, I just finished making lunch. Let me show you guys what I made for lunch today. I already ate mine, but I'm just gonna show you babe one. So that's lunch, a quick and simple salad. It have lettuce, avocado, dried fruits is papaya, and the pineapple is this white one. And then it have raisins, you have tuna, and I had some leftover chicken in the fridge, so I just warm it and drop a piece on babe one. But yeah, that's lunch. Easy, healthy, fast. You guys, I am in the lab. I'm in the kitchen making din din for the fam bam. And today for dinner, it's gonna be real easy, real simple. You guys ready to know what's on the menu for today? Here we go. Curry chicken, goodie, in a midache. Alright, so we have curry chicken. I just threw that in the pot. So I'm gonna cover that. Yeah. And then over here I have broccoli and green beans going. When that finish, which is any minute now, when that finish, I'm gonna throw a tin of corn on it. So we'll have broccoli, green beans and corn. And then I have some rice in the fridge, some white rice that Tyler can have for dinner. So yeah, that's the menu for today. What are you guys having for dinner today, this day that you're watching this video, this vlog? What will you have for dinner? Comment down below and let me know. Alright guys, my curry chicken is almost done. Now I have some potato left back from the raclette last night that I just diced them up, and I'm gonna throw them onto the curry chicken. Give this some extra body. I know, yes, goodie. Simmer down, control your temper. Simmer down. That's what we're gonna let this do. Simmer, and then we're done, girl. Not even putting in no carrot. Ain't nobody got time for that. What are you doing?
I'm running. I'm showing what I was doing this morning. I did great.
Yes, you did great. I'm proud of you.
Oh,
You did good.
smell the curry.
He's hankering in the kitchen. Dinner finished cooking. When you can leave your office and just come directly to the kitchen, what a joy. Alright, dinner finished. There goes the curry on deck. Yes. Yes, good. The pot look good. And veggies over there. Yes. Alright, my job here is done. And my girl's snack is ready for me to go pick her up because I'm sure she's awake. Let's see if I'm right. Let's do a camera check. Let's do a camera check. Camera check. Oh, no, I'm wrong. She's sleeping. She's sleeping still. Sleeping away like an angel. Alright. Foodie, it's dinner time for mama, not for you. Alright, you guys. Grub time. There goes my plate.
It's not grub time, it's dinner time.
Well, you're right, it's dinner time. You're back from school.
Yeah.
Nice. Ready for food? Look at her, ready to climb.
Can't beat Papa. Papa is too strong. See that bit? See that bit? Come on.
Jesus, Stella, be careful. Oh! Sorry, Calm. That's okay, calm. Look at Papa head. Sarah, look there. Sarah, look. Sarah, look up. Look, Sarah, look. Look here. Look there.
Tell her, give me the other one.
Carefully dropping it. Oh! She's gonna go for it. When you better hold them, it's gonna drop on her. I don't show.
And you play chase and the other you win.
Mama, help me!
Me?
Yes, you're mighty! I definitely...
I can't help you.
You just...
Run, guy, run.
Sarah is on night. Stop.
Okay.
I say stop.
Delaveaus night. Bye. Anyway, you guys, it's bedtime for Millie. Say bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. Bye-bye. Blow them kisses. Mwah. 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 Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mwah. them kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Will them kiss? Mwah. 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 Your turn. Mwah. Yeah. Say bye bye to Tyler.
Bye bye.
Go tell Tyler bye bye.
It's ready.
She ready to play with your Legos, but Sarah. Do you think she want to tell them bye bye? The Lego she want. Bisous. But she fighting them. She warning everybody. She want play. She was telling them so she want come to bed.
Tyler room is like this now.
Oh yeah, Tyler room is heaven for her, man. Look at. Woo! Woo! All right, Ty. All right, let her go now. Watch her.
Look at it, Tyler. Finish it.
Sarah, come. Your time here has ended. Tell Fizz bye bye. Ty, tell Fizz night night.
Say good night.
Good night.